Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Youthman. Today we just received a massive pallet of speakers and some cool stuff in here. We're gonna unbox this. We won't be doing an unboxing of the individual components. Just wanna give you kind of some insight as to what's coming here on the channel. So let's go ahead and dive into this, see what we got. So as I'm unboxing, let me know in the comments what you think this might be. All right, so I'm pretty excited about this, and I'll tell you why here in just a second. All right, so first off, this is the new Klipsch Reference Premier series. So let's see what we've got. We've got the 8060 FA version 2. So I reviewed the original system. I believe it was a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos setup. That was about I guess it was maybe 3 years ago. You guys really enjoyed that. I made a series of videos on that. There's probably 15 or 20 videos on that series of different things, and I want to do something similar with this. We'll do unboxings of each speaker. We will also, as you can see right here, we've got an AVR, so we'll be talking about how to set that up, how to calibrate it. So let's just go ahead and take a look. So we've got two of the RP 8060 FA towers, version 2. So these are Dolby Atmos towers. They're front left and front right, but you also have an up-firing Dolby Atmos speaker built into the cabinet. So we got two of those. We've got the RP 500 SA. So version 2, so those are up-firing Dolby Atmos modules. You can place those on top of your speakers if you need to do the kind of the bounce and reflect type of Dolby Atmos. But what I like about them is you can also mount them as height speakers or even surround sound speakers. So they're super, super versatile. Really excited about that. We've got the upgraded 504C version 2. This is a massive center channel, so we'll be talking about that. Down here we've got the SPL 120, so I'm excited about that because I have not reviewed any of the SPL series. So this is a little bit smaller. It's a 12-inch subwoofer, and I'm not sure if we've got one or maybe even two of those in this system. So we'll be talking about that. And we've also got a Pioneer VSX LX505 AVR. Now this is a 9.2 channel AVR, 9 channels of amplification, but we've got 11 channels of processing. And so if you have the amplification, like in my setup, I've got a dedicated 11 channel amplifier. You can use this, use the pre-outs, and it'll process all 11 channels. I've also got something else that I am super pumped about, and I'm actually kind of glad that it did not unveil yet. When Klipsch announced this, I didn't lose my mind, but I just got super excited. These look incredible. Now I've reviewed the original version of these and absolutely was floored with their sound performance, just their style, functionality. They're just incredible all around versatile speakers that can be used in a 2-channel setup. But these are none only, you probably won't be able to see them yet. Check this out, guys. The Fives McLaren Edition. Now these look gorgeous. There's so many cool things they've done in design and fashion, but I cannot wait to get these set up and make some video content on that. And I believe that would be pretty much everything in the system. Again, it's kind of hard to get back there, but let's just take a look just in case I'm missing something. Okay, so actually we've got another pair of speakers back here. We have another subwoofer, so there are two of those SPL 120s, and we also have the Reference Premier 600M version 2. Now, a lot of content creators have made videos on the 600M version 2s, and they've just received some really, really great reviews. So I'm excited to get those in. I'll probably be doing those, making some content on this whole system, but I also want to hear those in like a 2-channel setup, maybe connect it or pair it with just one of the subwoofers. How does that sound in my living room setup? And so definitely look for some really fun content. I'm getting ready to pack up and go to CEDIA next week, so I'll be able to stop by the Klipsch's booth, say hi to those folks. And so make sure you're subscribed to the channel because we've got a ton of videos we'll be doing on this series. I even want to do some kind of like home theater 101. How do you set this up? How do you calibrate it? When I originally got the first version of this, I made some content on the channel very similar to that, and that was well received. That one video received over 1 million views on how to set this up, and so I'd love to do that again with an updated series. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're almost there at 100,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We've also got an incredible giveaway, $33,000 in speakers, and Klipsch has partnered with us and they're giving away some of their speakers as well. So head over to youthmanreviews.com/road to 100K.